Let's see how to claim your Uni2Matrix NFTs. Initially, when you acquire them, they'll be on the Uni2Matrix website itself, and when you claim them, they get transferred to your wallet, which needs to be a decentralized wallet that works with the Binance Smart Chain, such as MetaMask or SafePal. And before anything else, it's important to understand that when your NFTs finish giving you their maximum of 180% in rewards, or 240% for VIP club members, if we want to keep receiving rewards, we have to renew them. And in order to renew it, it's a requirement to have those NFTs in your wallet, because that's how the system verifies your participation in Uni2Matrix. It recognizes your involvement by the fact that you have those NFTs in your wallet. It's also very likely that, to make withdrawals, you'll need to have those NFTs in your wallet as well. And another important factor is the fact that, since they're in your wallet, they truly belong to you and no one else, not even the Uni2Matrix website itself. They're yours and they're in your own wallet. Now, when we go to the Uni2Matrix website, we see some flyers, and among them is this one that tells us the cost in USDT to be able to claim each NFT you have. That way, you can see how many USDT you need to have in your wallet. Additionally, you'll also need to have BNB, which is the native cryptocurrency of the BSC blockchain and is used to pay the blockchain's transaction fees. In summary, you need to have the amount of USDT shown on this flyer, and you also need to have BNB. Having $5 worth, for example, would be more than enough to claim the Uni2Matrix NFTs. Once that's clear, we click on the X or anywhere else to close this flyer. And then here on the main page of the Uni2Matrix system, we go to this section here that says My NFTs. We click there, and it tells us that we need to connect our wallet. So we click on Connect up here on the right, choose the wallet we have. In this case, I'm going to choose MetaMask. The confirmation pops up, we connect, and that's it. The wallet is now connected and this panel appears where we can see all the NFTs. We can see that, for example, in this account one has already been claimed, and I'm going to do it with the one numbered 111. Let's claim the one numbered 111. So we click here where it says Approve. The wallet pops up. We click Confirm. It's executing the transaction. And there it is, approved. And now we have to click on Claim. Guys, another confirmation pops up telling us that you're receiving a Uni2Matrix NFT with this number. We click Confirm. The NFT is now being received in the wallet itself. And if we go here to the wallet, we can see in the activity section that it says Mint NFT, which means it has been minted and the NFT has already been received. In the NFT section, there used to be one and now I see two, okay? In this case, MetaMask is having trouble displaying the NFTs, but that doesn't mean you don't have them, okay? Your NFTs are in your wallet, stored on the blockchain, so even if MetaMask doesn't display them correctly, it's not a problem. Another option is to install SafePal, and in SafePal they are displayed correctly. But you have to keep in mind and remember that your assets and your NFTs are stored on the blockchain itself, so it's all good. In my case, even though I see them as blank here, I know those NFTs have actually already been received in the wallet. And if you liked this tutorial and found it useful, leave us a like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything from Uni2Matrix, and we'll see you next time. See you later.